Shocker! Shocker! You can't escape me! I'll chase you to the ends of the earth!
Yo, what's going on, everybody? Today's adventure combines two of my greatest passions, PCs and Spider-Man. That's right, I crafted the ultimate Spider-Man themed gaming PC for only $500. And the best part is, I'm gonna show you how to build it step by step. But first, for my returning viewers, welcome back. And if you're new here, don't forget to leave that like and subscribe button, man. I got plenty of PC tips, builds, and custom builds like this on the way. Now, ever since I was young, superheroes has always been a thing of mine. From the legends like Superman, Wonder Woman, and Thor, and even some hidden gems like Ghost Rider, Doctor Strange, and Omni-Man. Would you consider Omni-Man a hero? But among them, one friendly neighborhood superhero stuck out to me the most, Spider-Man. Relatable and iconic, what's a better tribute to combining Spider-Man and a gaming beast? Before we swing our way into this build, make sure to leave a comment down below about your favorite superhero. And who knows, your comment may inspire the next build of mine, and you'll be featured on the next video. All right, let's break down our Spidey-Essentials. For the brain of this baby, we're rocking an i7-9700K cooled by our Cooler Master CPU heatsink. For the graphics card, we're rocking the GTX 1070 to make sure our games look spectacular. A steal also from Facebook Marketplace for only $90. For the RAM memory, we're rocking 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM clocked at 3200 megahertz, along with a 512 gigabyte SSD and a 1.5 terabyte hard drive. All this wonderful tech rests on the Prime B360MA Micro-ATX motherboard, which also cost me around $63 as well from Facebook Marketplace. For the strong power of this build, we got an EA 650 watt Silver Edition PSU. And for our Spidey layer, you like what I did there? We have an Antec NX200MA sleek Micro XT tower. At first, this case was black, but I gave it a little customization by making it Spider-Man, painting it red and blue. Also added some stickers to it, like this Spider-Man hanging down, the web right here, Spider-Man in the front, even the back has a sticker on it with Spider-Man coming out of a wall. Now, with our Spidey-Essentials ready to go, let's build our superhero. Now, you may be wondering, it's already built right here, right? Well, I have a power myself, and it's called
Killer Queen 第3の爆弾バイツァーダスト
All right, make sure you have all your parts ready, and let's get this bad boy to work. Make sure to grab your trusty screwdriver, some thermal paste, and first we're going to install our CPU. Make sure the triangle in the corner is pointed down, and place the CPU in our CPU socket in the motherboard. Pull down the lever to lock it in place, apply some thermal paste for the heatsink, line up your heatsink with the standout screws and screw it in, put the fan on, and plug it into the CPU fan header. Grab your RAM, install into slots 1 and 3, grab your case, install the I/O shield for the motherboard, grab your motherboard screws, screw in your motherboard to the standoffs, grab your PSU, put it in the case and screw it in, plug in all your case cables like the HDMI, USB, power switch, reset switch, LED switch, and audio. Grab your GPU, put your GPU in slot PCI 16, plug in the cords for the motherboard, the CPU, and the GPU. Install the case fans. Quick tip, the arrows on the fan show you where air is flowing. Install the SSD in a hard drive by hooking it up to the PSU and the SATA cables to your motherboard. Do some quick cable management, plug in your PSU and turn it on. The suit's on, the build's done. Now let's see how our Spider-Man PC performs in the gaming universe. This is Fortnite, here are the settings, let's go. Oh,
Come on!
Fuck, how'd that happen? Go! I'll believe in this bird when I get eyes on it.
Fucking die! All of you! Motherfuckers! Kill me, you pricks!
Go!
This is Ring. Here are the settings. Let's get bodied.
It's getting so hard. Man, oh my gosh.
This is Warzone 2. Here are the settings. Let's get that loading.
Your squad mate is redeploying.
Oh, God.
Marking your...
This is Spider-Man Remastered. Here are the settings. Let's beat up some bad guys.
Officers are engaged with the demon. Shots fired. Officers needed on scene.
Someone's trapped in that car. I've got you. Stay calm. Spidey! I saw the thing get down on TV.
Woo! Like Spider-Man, this PC is amazing. It's strong and fast, and overall this looks awesome. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I had fun building the PC. I learned a lot in this journey, and I gotta say, this was perfect. Don't forget to leave a comment down below about your favorite superhero for a chance to get featured in my next build video. And thank you guys for being amazing. I love you guys, and tell somebody you love them as well. Thank you. This is Martian Tech, and remember, it's always easy peasy. See you next time.